Front angle hero shot. The FalconEdge X-9 enters the frame with undeniable authority. From the front, its sharp stealth nose and aggressive wing geometry define its identity as a next-generation air dominance fighter. The aircraft's surface absorbs light, emphasizing its lethal intent and futuristic engineering. This is not a jet designed to impress on paper, it is built to rule the sky. Top-down aerial over ocean. Seen from above, the FalconEdge X-9 reveals its flawless stealth geometry. The wings blend seamlessly into the fuselage, minimizing radar exposure while maximizing aerodynamic efficiency. As it glides over the ocean, reflections ripple across its surface, highlighting advanced composite materials engineered for speed, stability, and endurance. Side profile on runway. On the runway, the X-9 looks calm yet dangerous. Its side profile showcases a compact fuselage paired with long, razor-edged wings. Every panel is precisely aligned to reduce radar return. Even at rest, the aircraft feels ready to explode into motion at any moment. Rear takeoff with afterburners. The moment the afterburners ignite, the FalconEdge X-9 transforms. Flames burst from the engines as heat distortion ripples behind it. The jet accelerates violently, lifting off with confidence and raw power. This takeoff is not just a launch, it's a declaration of dominance. Cockpit canopy close-up. Up close, the cockpit canopy reveals the brain of the aircraft. Inside, holographic HUD elements project flight data, targeting information, and threat analysis directly into the pilot's field of vision. The panoramic glass offers unmatched visibility, turning the cockpit into a true command center. Hangar maintenance scene. Inside the hangar, the FalconEdge X-9 shows its practical brilliance. Panels open cleanly, exposing modular internal systems designed for rapid maintenance. This jet isn't just powerful, it's built for sustained operations, quick turnaround, and long-term battlefield readiness. Low angle against storm clouds. A low-angle shot against storm clouds turns the X-9 into a symbol of defiance. The dark sky behind it enhances its intimidating silhouette. This aircraft is designed to operate where others hesitate, maintaining control in extreme weather and hostile environments. Flying through snowy mountains. As the FalconEdge X-9 cuts through icy mountain air, its control authority becomes obvious. Turbulence barely affects its path. The aircraft remains smooth and precise, proving its adaptability across harsh terrains and unpredictable atmospheric conditions. Engine turbine macro shot. A close-up of the turbines exposes the heart of the beast. Precision-cut blades, advanced alloys, and thermal management systems work together to deliver massive thrust while controlling heat and emissions. These engines are engineered for both brute force and stealth efficiency. High-speed aerial turn. In a high-speed maneuver, the FalconEdge X-9 bends the sky around it. The jet rolls sharply, maintaining stability under extreme G-forces. Motion blur emphasizes the speed, but the aircraft remains perfectly controlled, responsive, agile, and deadly. Night flight with LED accents. At night, subtle blue LED accents trace the aircraft's outline. These lights aid ground operations without compromising stealth. Against the dark sky, the X-9 looks futuristic and predatory, like a silent hunter moving through the darkness. Landing sequence. During landing, the FalconEdge X-9 shows its refined engineering. The landing gear deploys smoothly, absorbing impact with precision. Dust rises gently from the runway as the jet touches down, controlled, stable, and confident even after high-speed missions. Above the clouds at sunrise. Above the clouds, bathed in sunrise light, the X-9 appears. Almost peaceful. The golden glow highlights its clean lines and efficient design. At cruising altitude, the jet conserves fuel while remaining ready to shift instantly into combat mode. Stealth black variant in fog. In fog, the stealth black variant nearly disappears. The matte surface absorbs light, making visual detection extremely difficult. Combined with radar-evading geometry, this version excels in covert missions and surprise engagements. Extreme altitude view. At extreme altitude, the curvature of the Earth becomes visible beneath the FalconEdge X-9. Here, it operates as a silent guardian, monitoring vast airspace while remaining nearly invisible. Few aircraft can perform reliably at this level. Underbelly during climb. From below, internal weapon bays become visible during a climb. By carrying weapons internally, the X-9 preserves stealth while maintaining devastating strike capability. This balance of offense and invisibility defines modern air combat. Breaking the sound barrier. As the FalconEdge X-9 crosses max speed, a vapor cone forms around the fuselage. The shockwave marks the moment sound is left behind. Even at these extreme speeds, the aircraft remains stable and responsive. Blueprint-style render. The blueprint view reveals the intelligence behind the design. Every system, avionics, propulsion, sensors, and structure, is arranged with purpose. Redundancy, efficiency, and mission flexibility are built into every layer. Low flight over desert. Flying low over desert terrain, the X-9 handles heat, dust, and turbulence effortlessly. Sand trails follow its wings as it maintains razor-sharp control. This aircraft is as capable at low altitude as it is in the upper atmosphere. Exploded 3D technical view. The final exploded view exposes the FalconEdge X-9's inner universe. Avionics, engines, fuel systems, and structural components float apart, revealing a perfectly integrated machine. This is not just a fighter jet, it is a complete system engineered for the future of aerial warfare.